Hi there, my name is Lawrence Tyndall, and in today's ServiceNow tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new field to a form in ServiceNow. Adding new fields to forms in ServiceNow allows you to capture additional data that the out-of-the-box tables in ServiceNow don't include. Please note, before adding a new field to a form in ServiceNow, ensure that the field doesn't already exist under a different name, and that the new field you're creating should reside on that specific table. In today's tutorial, we're going to be adding a new field to the hardware asset form called disposal method, and this field will be used to capture how assets are disposed of by our ITAD vendor. Tracking this information is extremely useful as it will allow us to understand exactly how each asset was disposed of. To get started, we're going to open up ServiceNow, and in the Application Navigator, type in Hardware Assets. Now let's open up a hardware asset record. Now that the hardware asset form has loaded, click on the Disposal tab. This is where all of the asset disposition fields are located. To add a new field to the form, right-click on the form header and click on Configure and then Form Design. The Form Designer UI will now load. To add the disposal method field, we're going to scroll down to the Disposal section and select a string field from the Field Types section of the navigator on the left, and place it underneath the Retired Date field. Now to name the field, click on the gear icon to the right of the field to update its properties. A modal will appear where you can define the field's label, its name, the default value, the max length, choices for making it mandatory and read-only, if you would like the field to be dependent on another field, and last but not least, if you would like to add any choices to the field. This essentially makes the field a drop-down field with multiple choices. In today's example, I'm going to give the field a label name of disposal method, and in the name field, I'm going to enter u_disposal_method, and then for choices, I'm going to add the following choices: crushed, degaussed, melted, and shredded. By providing this level of information, auditors and asset managers will have a clear history of how each asset was disposed of. Now close the Field Properties modal. Now click on the Save button located on the top right of the form design screen. This will save our changes and will add the new field to the hardware asset table and form. Now if we navigate back to the hardware asset form, refresh the form, and click on the Disposal tab, you'll see that our new field disposal method is now available, and you can see we have lots of choices available. And it's as simple as that. Adding new fields to a form in ServiceNow is relatively easy and provides you with a lot of value. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.